Hi, I'm Ian. This is Cook Along with CATERed. Today we're going to be making one of the best desserts on the menu that the children love, and I know you will love as well. It's custard biscuits. There's 4 ingredients. It's nice and easy to make. Really simple. Good fun for the kids, good fun for you. Cook along with me. Let's cook together. Let's have some fun. So let's get on to making the custard biscuits. As I said earlier, there's only 4 ingredients. You've got 320 grams of margarine, 320 grams of plain flour, 170 grams of icing sugar and 170 grams of custard powder. The method we're using is called an all-in method. So basically, you put it all into the bowl together, which I've done, and then you mix it until it forms a dough. You'll know when it's come together. There'll be no lumps or bumps. You don't want lumps or bumps. The occasional one will be okay though. We can look over that. Today I'm going to be using a mixer purely for speed, just to show you how the principles are done. You can do it with a hand mixer. You can do it by hand. The results are the same, it's just what you've got. But today, as I said, I'm using the mixer. So as you can see it mixing, as soon as it starts to come together, stop. You don't want to take it too far. So you don't want it to be overmixed. I don't know if you can really see that, but you don't want it to be overmixed. You want it to still be kind of crumbly, because that way you get a nice snap on the biscuit. So that's the basic biscuit recipe. Mix together. As you can see, basic recipe. This recipe makes about 24 decent sized biscuits. Just move that out of the way so you can see. So let's give it a quick switch down. So you've got a nice, I call it a loose dough. So you've got a nice loose dough. Give it a little bit of a mould together. So once your dough is formed, you want to lightly flour the surface. Not much flour, just enough. And then put your dough on top. And then lightly flour the top. If you put too much flour in, it's going to dry the biscuit mix out. You then want to roll it out to just under 1 centimetre thick. If you get stuck with that and getting it uneven and wonky, in your children's craft box, I'm pretty sure they have little bits of dowel or something like that. You can put the dowel on either side, and then when you use your rolling pin, it will be perfect all the way through. Or you can have it rustic. No harm in that whatsoever. So there we go. Nicely rolled out. I'm using a circular cutter. You can use any cutter you want. It makes no difference. Have fun. Go crazy. Peel it away. Let's see. There's your disc. So it's nicely formed. Put it onto a lightly greased oven tray, and then you can put it in the oven at 180 degrees, gas mark 5, for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once it's out, take it off the tray, put it onto a cooling rack, and then just enjoy it. So that's it really, there's nothing more that you need to do. So here they are, straight out of the oven. They smell good, they look good. I can't wait to try them, and I know my boys can't wait to try them either. So have fun cooking them, as I say, with your children. When they're cooled down, make some icing up, get your children to decorate them. Send the pictures in, let's see what you've done, have some fun. And I look forward to doing another video for you guys again soon. All the best, stay safe, from Ian and CATERed. Thank you.